Hey guys, good morning. So we're here in Tagaytay and that's Chris. We are at our friend's spa resort. I am planning to have an oily wellness retreat here. As soon as it's open, tinatayo pa kasi siya. So we're having a preview. Nasa likod yung mga rooms and cottages. And so yesterday, we were taken to the other side, which is the spa area. And nandun yung Korean themed spa. So the way you enjoy your bang, yung mayroong mga hot pool, hot sauna, parang onsen. Yeah, there's gonna be a facility of that here, which is there on the other side. While this side has the pool and I think the rooms. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung ilan yung number of rooms and ilan yung capacity. And secret muna the name of the place, but here's the common area. Here's the dining area. And hindi pa siya operational. So we are taken by our friend just to look around to see if it's feasible to have the oily workshop here. On this side, we haven't really checked it out kung anong meron this side. Pero sa kanila rin to. So yan, meron mga green areas if you are into that. Yesterday, we went dun. So whatever's on the right, nandun yung buong facility of the onsen. Yun yung tinatayo pa, kina-construct pa talaga. So they're constructing everything phase by phase. This side is already pwede nang tirahan, quote and unquote. Pwede ka nang mag-accept ng guests. While the other side, where most of the activities are, is still being constructed. So I haven't really asked the capacity, and I haven't really asked like if ever sa yung conference room where I can hold my workshops, but so far the place is nice. And Chris is coming. Hey, so we just had our breakfast at Discovery at the Verbena restaurant. We are on the way down. I mean, on the way back to Manila. Pero may check muna kami pa ng mga outlet stores. You're all mine. You're all mine. You're all mine. Come, come, come. I'm gonna get you. Ayun ko lumipad. So cute. So cute. Lama. Hi. Oo nga eh. Gusto ko rin ng chick sa bahay.
Kakainin na ito ni Pepper.
Hindi na kakainin yan.
Yung feathers nito.
Baka malaglag na naman ako. Today is a good day. It's sunny. It's a good day to shop. We are here at Hacienda in Tagaytay. We're outlet stores, everything. Walang tao. So super outlet store. You get everything at red tag plus additional discount. now Tabby Cat Cafe here in Tagaytay. It's the only one here, I think. And nasa taas yata. We just have to wear our socks. Yes, my socks.
Gusto wala kang...
Pag sa cat area kayo na kayo. 220. Pero yung pag 270 sir, nakadepende dun sa dami sa gusto.
Drinks na gusto. Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Milkshake.
Milkshake?
Yeah. So, dapat may medyas. Kung wala, add 45.
Isang strawberry.
Yes, milkshake. Oh yeah, so here's my ID. Thank you. Hi. Cute. Cute. So, ilan sila, ate? Yan, so they have 24 cats. Ay, pareho kay Coco. Tulog ko. This is American Curl. American Curl din to. Cute! Antok sila eh. And let's sit around with them. Wow! Hey children. Ay, this is ano. What are you? Russian blue ba yun? Hello! Hi there! Hi! Ito ba? Ang dami. Yes! Sige, pakainin natin. Gusto mo?
Minutang yung whiskers mo.
Ah, cute. Yan yung Sphinx.
Pero may hair siya eh.
Ah, so hindi Sphinx.
Cornish Rex yan sir.
Hi!
Cornish.
Ano lang parang Sphinx.
Parang Sphinx. Very nice.
Cute! Bakit? 24 to, pero bakit hindi nangangati ilong ko?
Pwede nga.
They're all sleeping. So cute. This looks like Coco. Hey! Nagpapapet sila, pero ayaw nila magbabuhat. Super people-friendly. They're all people-friendly, which means they're well taken care of. The space is huge. And nicer than what we've seen in Cebu.
Chill lang sila. Chill.
Hi! Oh wow, parang lion, no? Pero naka-ano siya, naka-summer cut. And hey, good morning! Cute! Ganyan din kami sa bahay. Pag may pagkain, gising silang lahat. Cute! So, all 24 of them. And what's good about this place is meron ding puspin. Unlike most other cat cafes here in the Philippines na ayaw ng puspin. Ay, so cute!
Buti na nga lang, may bagong panganak kami.
Oo.
Kaya na, yung kami
Ito lang puspin.
Cornish Rex naman.
Ah,
Wala kami dito, parang gusto namin.
cute! Bawal ko hawakan, no?
Pwede naman, kaya lang, iwas ka naman ka rin.
Ah,
Kasi wala pa siyang vaccination.
hi!
Kaya tinatago pa namin.
Cute!
Kasi dinala niya sa vet, ma'am, wala pa kasi daw 3 months yan, dapat 3 months.
Oo.
Mamamatay pa daw yun.
Deworm lang ang pwede.
Nakailang cats kayo per day?
Sir? Sa isang araw sa isa.
Wow!
Kakati sila lang? Mamaya na eh. Ilan ba? 14 sa akin? Ano puro rescue?
Diam! Uy! Diam!
Ah, cute.
Diam!
Sabi niya, magpapahinga pa ako. Ang galing. Hey! Hindi sila nagre-response sa Pangkanto raw yun.
You think kapatid si Lance na 13 kaya?
Kaya 20 plus na to. No. So cute. Diba sila?
Pagkain talaga ako.
Yes. Yes, they're eating. Yes. Cute.
Ikaw pa nito? Scott.
Guwapa silang lahat. Iba tulog. Wala silang pakialam sa food. So, you guys go check out Tabby Cat Cafe. Well, it's actually Tabby Town Cat Cafe here in Tagaytay. So, third floor, merong mga dogs. Corgi naman sa taas. Iba na yung music. Ay, hindi rin. Iba-iba rin. Hello. Dami. Hi. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!